In the frozen wilderness of Alaska, a field of antennas points at the sky. Officially, it's a research program. But the patents filed tell a different story. But the military patents reveal the true purpose. Bernard Eastland's 1987 patent describes using similar technology to modify weather patterns, disrupt communications, and create missile shields. The system can generate extremely low-frequency waves that penetrate deep into the Earth, potentially detecting underground facilities. It can also create artificial ionization layers to reflect or absorb radio signals, effectively blocking communications across entire regions. Some documents suggest capabilities for weather modification through atmospheric heating and pressure manipulation. A facility capable of heating the upper atmosphere with billions of watts of energy. Patents for weather control and communication disruption. A mysterious transfer to the most secretive research agency in the US government. The question isn't whether HAARP was a weapon, it's whether it still operates today, under a different name.